In this practical example we will model a hood, which is the equipment responsible for the treatment of gases and vapors resulting from cooking food. Present in most residential and industrial kitchens. Open the available file and see that we have some two-dimensional geometries that we will use as a reference for modeling. First we will create some construction lines with the command line. In the sequence, we copy the geometries. With the help of the command trim we edit one of the copies and thus have the necessary geometries to begin the modeling of the hood. In the Surface tab, Create Panel, we trigger Extrude, select the rectangle and confirm by typing Enter. We type -50 and hit Enter. We repeat the command and we will extrude the circumference with a height of 100. You see, we have two surfaces obtained from extrusion of two-dimensional geometries. Then we fire loft and select the arcs in sequential order. We confirmed by typing Enter twice. Now let's double mirror the surface obtained with the command loft. Look, we have four surfaces. We need to close the conical part of the hood, and for that, we trigger the loft command. We press Ctrl and click alternately on the reference edges. We finish by typing Enter twice to confirm and exit the command. We repeat the procedure a few more times. Look at the result, we have the conical part of the hood completed. We need to move the conical part and position it aligned with the other surfaces. We trigger the Move command, select the conical part and press Enter to confirm. We specify a base point and a destination point. Look, we have the surfaces positioned correctly. In the sequence, we will unite the surfaces. In the Home tab, Solid Editing panel, we trigger Union. We select the surfaces and confirm by typing Enter. We exclude geometries that are no longer needed for modeling the hood. Okay, we have our hood completed. We finished this practical example, where we model a hood using surfaces.